myself Pushkaran Arjun, the leader of Group 1, and I present myself my Group 3. Sir, and we have coordinatedly worked on this particular project to present this in front of you and to share the history of the Europe, sir. And this is our presentation, sir.
Okay, go ahead with your presentation.
Sir, we have mainly focused upon the concentration camps, which was mainly a particular part in World War II, which plays an informative role for Nazis and Jews. So this story dates long back in 1933, sir. What happens is that the Nazis starts to build concentration camp where they will set up like bunk cells and gas chambers to gas the Jews or to gas the enemies of their political parties. So this was the concept which was introduced long back in 1933, sir. But when the time of in the time of World War II, sir, Hitler used it in a very cruel manner to kill Jews, Polish, and other political parties members who are not supporting him, sir. Sir, as you can see in this bunk cell, we have represented the information and the concept of camp, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, and then what happens in this bunk cell is, sir, they would put thousands of people together and they would not give sufficient food for them, sir. Sir, afterwards what happens is that they would die with hunger and starvation. The few members who would be remaining in the bunk cells, they would take them for the gas chambers, saying that they can shower there. So they would be not showering for 1.5 years, 2 years because of the prison, because of the only reason that they are prisoners. Sir, when they will hear that we are going to be showered, sir, they will be very happy and they will move for this gas chamber. But they didn't know this is a gas chamber where they will be going to die. Sir, when they go inside, they will lock all the doors. So the showers will be fitted, sir, but the water will not come. Instead of water, the gas will come, sir. Sir, let me show you, sir. This part of this building, sir, they would just building to just remove the gas which is avoid inside the building, sir. So after that evaporating, sir, they would also, sir, as you can see here, we mentioned this is the Auschwitz concentration camp, sir. I and my team basically focus on Auschwitz camp. So here is a picture of Auschwitz camp, and we represent it in a very simple and useful manner to understand for any person of any kind, sir. Sir, and we can also see here the people who are dead due to the Nazism. So this was the idea of Hitler, and his theory was very clear, sir. And in next,
So the historical way you have mentioned all those things.
yes, sir.
Do you believe that was it good for the economical way? Economics, was it a profit or it was a loss for the nation?
Sir, for your question, the answer is that, sir, it is extremely bad for economic and for also the German nation, sir. When World War II took place, there was all starvation, sir, and people were also dying. They were forced by the German army to fight for German army, sir. Sir, that was not absolutely right, sir. It was very cruel thing, and we should not repeat that in our upcoming.
So what was the effects that happened when this war happened and all those? What was the effects that happened in the economics? Like in the economical way, how it affected the nation?
Sir, what happens is that, sir, the Jews mainly stayed their livelihood in Europe, sir, in the heart of the Europe. Sir, Germany was also in the heart of the Europe. But when Hitler played this concentration camp role and where he killed thousands of Nazis, sir, the Nazis spread from Germany to Middle East, sir, which they created their own country called Israel. Sir, that is also, sir, this movement is also beginning for that movement, sir. So I would say one way it is good for Israelis and for Jews to build their own country and to protect their country.
So what is your opinion on this project? What are the things you utilize to form this project? What are the concepts behind it? Yeah, everyone, you can share your ideas.
What he said that idea is adopted and we joined together and we made this for low cost of money. We have to we not invest much money for the project. We invest money for our knowledge. What we gain from this, we more focused on about topics. What we gain and what we have to do in this model. So we gain more topics.
Okay, so how was your experience while making these models and all those things, what will you suggest for the other people when you have found these models or something? What is your suggestion?
Sir, what is my suggestion is that, sir, this kind of cruelty should not be supported anywhere, sir. At any part of the country, let the country be economically strong or poor, sir. We should always oppose the cruelty, sir. We are from a nation where we adopt non-violence. We are from a nation where we fought against British with the use of non-violence, sir. Sir, and you can see here, sir, these lines are live there, sir. What Hitler did with that was, sir, he created this live there, sir, so that no one can escape out of this concentration camps. And while escaping from this live sir, there are thousands of people who lost their lives, sir. Sir, at last of the day, killing gains nobody and it benefits for nobody, sir. We should always be brothers and sisters.
Okay. So thank you so much for giving information. Hope that this model will work out, and it has given so much information